Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the previous lecture, I explained what is alcohol, what is phenol, what is ether, then classification of alcohols, phenols and ether, IUPAC nomenclature of alcohols, phenols and ether, common name system, IUPAC system. In this lecture, I will explain here the preparation of alcohols. Means how to form the alcohols, which reagents or reactants are used to form the alcohol or preparation of alcohols. In that first RX means alkyl halide reacts with sodium hydroxide in aqueous state or potassium hydroxide, gives heat formation of alcohol and sodium halide or sodium chloride, sodium iodide, potassium chloride or potassium iodide. See the example, CH3Cl means it's a methyl chloride plus NaOH in aqueous state, gives heat formation of CH3OH means methyl alcohol. Means it's nucleophilic substitution reaction. OH minus attacks on this carbon atom and chlorine is good leaving group. Sodium chloride is byproduct. Means from methyl chloride formation of methyl alcohol in presence of sodium hydroxide in aqueous state gives heat formation of methyl alcohol. Then second, alkyl halide reacts with moist silver oxide formation of alcohol. For example, C2H5, ethyl iodide, AgOH in presence of moist silver oxide gives C2H5OH. Means this is also nucleophilic substitution reaction. Then next, by acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. Acid catalyzed means catalyst is acid. Acid catalyzed hydration of alkene. In that propene reacts with sulfuric acid, formation of isopropyl hydrogen sulfate, then gives heat, formation of propane 2-ol. This reaction goes by Markovnikov rule. What is the Markovnikov rule? Markovnikov rule states that the negative in an asymmetric alkene, it's an asymmetric alkene. Symmetric alkene means CH2 double bond CH2. Propene is asymmetric alkene, reacts with H2SO4, formation of isopropyl hydrogen sulfate. Then isopropyl hydrogen sulfate hydrolyze, formation of propane 2-ol means negative part of the reagent means OSO3H goes to that carbon atom which have less number of hydrogen atom. It's a Markovnikov rule, formation of propane 2-ol means propanol. Then next, hydroboration oxidation of alkene. Hydroboration oxidation of alkene. This alkene reacts with borane, solvent tetrahydrofuran is used, then formation of this primary alcohol. Then next, by reduction of carbonyl compounds. Carbonyl compounds means aldehydes, ketone and carboxylic acids, esters. In that first, by reduction of aldehydes and ketone, the general formula of aldehyde is RCHO. Then ketone RC double bond OR. In that first, RCHO means aldehydes reacts with H2Ni or palladium. Means nickel or palladium gives heat formation of primary alcohols. Means acetaldehyde reacts with nickel or palladium is the catalyst, formation of H2 is reducing agent, RCH2OH means primary alcohol, CH3, CH2OH means acetaldehyde reacts with this reagent, formation of alcohol, ethyl alcohol. Then next, ketone reacts with this reagent, reducing agent, formation of alcohol, secondary alcohol. When aldehyde reacts with this reducing agent, formation of primary alcohol, then ketone reacts with this reagent, formation of secondary alcohol. Then next, by reduction of carboxylic acid, the general formula of carboxylic acid is RC double bond OH. Lithium aluminium hydride is also reducing agent. Carboxylic acid is requires strong reducing agent. Lithium aluminum hydride is strong reducing agent. Formation of RCH2OH means primary alcohol. For example, acetic acid CH3C double bond O OH. Acetic acid reacts with lithium aluminum hydride, formation of CH3 CH2 OH means gives primary alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. Then lithium aluminum hydride is an expensive reagent, means this lithium aluminum hydride is expensive reagent. Acid first convert into ester, which on catalytic hydrogenation gives primary alcohol. Means this lithium aluminum hydride can use for reduction of acid, but this is an expensive reagent. Therefore, acid first convert into ester. See the reaction. It's acid, general formula of acid. It convert first into ester. It's a ester. By using alcohol in acidic medium, formation of ester. Then this ester reduction in nickel and palladium catalyst, formation of primary alcohol. This method is also used formation of alcohols. The next reaction by addition of Grignard reagent. Ketone reacts with Grignard reagent RMgX in presence of dry ether, formation of this adduct means delta negative charge in alkyl group and Mg is a metal contain positive charge, partial positive charge. This delta minus means R minus attacks on this electron deficient carbon atom. Then formation of OMgX, R attacks on this carbon, formation of bond between R and C. Then O oxygen contain negative charge and this oxygen attacks on this magnesium, formation of OMgX, formation of this adduct. Then acidification, formation of tertiary alcohol. See the example. CH3 C double bond O CH3. Acetone reacts with methyl magnesium chloride in presence of dry ether, formation of CH3 C O minus CH3 CH3 O minus. This O minus attacks on this Mg C means magnesium, formation of OMgCl, this adduct. Then acidification of this adduct, formation of CH3 C OH CH3 and CH3 means formation of tertiary alcohol, tertiary butyl alcohol. Why this is butyl alcohol? Because 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms present and tertiary carbon atom hydroxyl group is attached. Therefore, it's known as tertiary butyl alcohol. This is also important method for formation of alcohols, primary alcohols, secondary alcohols and tertiary alcohol. Means how to form primary alcohol? If formaldehyde is used, RCOH is formaldehyde. If formaldehyde is used, then formation of primary alcohol. Then aldehyde, for example acetaldehyde, use formation of secondary alcohol. Then ketone, if we use ketone, formation of tertiary alcohol. See the example. We use here ketone, formation of tertiary alcohol. If formaldehyde is used, formation of primary alcohol. Then if acetaldehyde is used, formation of secondary alcohol. See the example for aldehyde. Same reaction, but in the aldehyde, hydrogen is present. In the ketone, alkyl group is present. See, CH3, COH, CH3, MgI, methyl magnesium iodide and acetaldehyde is aldehyde in presence of dry ether. Formation of this adduct means CH3 minus attacks on this carbon atom, CH3, COMgI, this H and this CH3. Then acidification, formation of CH3, CH3H and OH means is secondary alcohol. Why secondary alcohol? Because hydroxyl group is attached to secondary carbon atom It is known as secondary alcohol. Then next point,